banking as an industry has more data than many other industries put together, which means that banking is just set right for digital marketing. If you have been following this channel for a really long time, you would know that I talk about that the base of digital marketing is having access to good data. The better data you have, the better are going to be your digital marketing results. So hello everyone, this is Nidhi Singh and you're watching This is Digital Marketing in Banking series. Gone are the days of marketing in banking when big banks and brands only used to talk about big budget brand films and hoarding-led campaigns and physical campaigns of big budgets, radio advertising, TV advertising, newspaper advertising. While these traditional ways of marketing are still in practice, now increasingly banks have moved towards digital, primarily because the competition is very high, the budgets are very small, and you need to do much more. You are expected to do much more in that budget, especially in case of banking industry, where there is enough and more data to give insights on who your audience is, how they are behaving. You know that you can't just burn money on big budget brand films always, and that's the reason digital marketing is the way bank adopt to drive their performance. So tomorrow, if you have to sell a loan product, instead of making a big budget brand film and spending all your money on it without even measuring what kind of results that particular brand film has got you, you might do the same brand film, but instead of TV and hoarding, you might go to Facebook or YouTube to promote your brand, because one, you have limited budget, two, you want quicker results, and three, you want measurability, right? I am not saying, nowhere I am saying that you don't need big budget brand campaigns on TV and newspaper and so on and so forth, but I am saying you need to carefully plan them. You need to assess that it should basically make sense for your campaign. If suppose you're doing a really big product launch across the nation, then you might want to use a strategy like that. But if you are looking for data that is refreshed on a daily basis, on action by action basis of your customer, you want to see results quickly, then digital marketing is your way to go. Banks today have so much structured data. Let's take loan example. So if you are planning to target someone who is ready to take the loan, this is the kind of information you might have, your bank might have. They would know about when are you getting your salary, how much is that salary, whether you are the right candidate for loan or not, how much is your CIBIL score, what is your transaction history, and so on and so forth. So once an entity or a brand has information like this, just think about it, how an effective digital marketing campaign can be made. So when you know so much about a customer, why would you want to reach 100,000 customers with the same kind of message? When you know that your one customer segment is in XYZ salary band and your other customer segment is in a lower salary band, you can reach out to these two customers with custom messages, something that they will relate to, something that they will click through, something that they will consume. So that's how evolved the communication or the marketing can be when you have the right data and when you have right tools to use that data. So in order to summarize, today's marketers have tiny budgets, a lot of competition, and with that given context, they want to show measurable success of their campaigns. And similarly, today's customer has very less time, wants simple products, and would want to fulfill their needs and desires, whether it is getting a loan or having a savings account opened. They want it hassle free. So I think it's a win-win to use digital increasingly more. Of course, traditional way of marketing will always have a role to play, but digital has definitely has all the things going right for the banking industry. So if you are a marketer, you should go back and reflect on your data, your structured data, and the tools and platforms you use to figure out how you can use it even in a better way. So that's all for now. This is Nidhi Singh signing off from This is Digital Marketing. As a disclaimer, I do want to mention that even though I work for a bank, all the views present in this entire series are my own and not at all represent any views from my employer. Bye bye.